God for you guys.
All right, wait a minute. Wait, I thought you was going to start up that motorcycle. We're going
I'm
to
start the motorcycle.
Yeah, we're going to start it up. All right, hold on. Wait, watch, go around. Don't get burned on that pipe. Now, go right ahead. Contact.
See that? That's the key where you get the motor started.
All right, what do you do next?
Then you push this button so you can get the motor. See that? That's how the motor's running out of these pipes.
A little more.
Stop. It's like that. You see these pumps? Touching you are going to get hot. So you better watch out. I'll do the horn for you. That's the horn. Then you go over here and start doing
All right, you better shut that off now.
turn it off.
Yeah, turn that off.
You go the opposite. That's the way. Now I'm going to put some
You
cotton.
going to take that out now?
Yeah.
You going to take it for a ride around the block? All right, how old are you today?
Today I'm 5.
5. What's the date today?
The date?
June 6th,
June 6th,
2006.
It's Thursday. I think it's Thursday.
No. Today's Monday.
Today's Monday.
Yes. All right, great. All right, what's next?
Here's